Dear 6th students, we have completed Spices of India. Just now we go to see the book back of the lesson. First, let's move to short answers. Why do we add spices to food? We add spices to food to balance nutrition and to keep us healthy. We add spices only for nutrition and being healthy. Okay, we add spices to food to balance nutrition and to keep us healthy. Second question, which spices are used a lot in Indian food? You can take a lot of spices in your food day-to-day life. Just now we go to answer. Spices used a lot in Indian food are cumin, mustard, pepper, cloves, fennel, cinnamon and turmeric. Okay. Third question, which parts of the plant are collected as spices? Where do we get spices from? The same question, which parts of a plant are collected as spices? Flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and bulbs. Okay. Fourth question, what are the uses of spices? The spices give the dish a special savory. The spices give the dish a special savory taste. It makes us want to eat more. Next question, fifth question, what happened after Columbus discovered America? After Columbus discovered America, he got chili. After Columbus discovered America, he got chili. Dear question, these 5 questions are your homework. You don't forget to memorize these questions and write and post in the group. These are the 5 questions, your homework. Okay? Okay. Choose the best option. People say curry comes from a Tamil word curry, which means B option, sauce. Second, pepper is also known as black gold. Already I told you, isn't it? Third one, Dash wrote about cinnamon in 2700 BC. Chinese, A option, Chinese. The Greeks, Romans and Egyptian all bought cinnamon from India. Okay, you mark this in your book. Look at the table carefully, then complete the points below. Okay, you have to look this table carefully, then we go to question. The paddy plants are given manure after 35 days watering. The plants take 35 to 90 days in ripening phase. Third one, it takes 10 days to harvest the rice. The rice grains have to be dried and then stored. Fifth one, we store the grains for 120 days before boiling. Okay. You have to write these answers in your textbook. Don't forget. Then here, steps to success. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain ways and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Answer: all others are ground above the ground, while garlic grows under the ground. Okay, this is answer. This is answer for this question. Okay. All others are ground above the ground except garlic. Garlic grows under the ground. Okay. This garlic ground under the ground, but all others are ground above the ground. Okay. Next one, in certain code language, if KBOVBSZ is the code word for January, what is the code word for October? Here they give 4 options code word. Okay, just you take this PDUPCFS OPCD TU OP BC EF RS October. This option is correct. Okay, my dear students, your homework already I told you that 5 question answers. You have to memorize them and write in the paper and post in the group. You don't forget. At the same time, all of you must take down this in your textbook. Okay, bye, see you.